Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 6, algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression is a combination of numbers like 3, -3, 6, 10, any number. Literals means variables, x, y, z, x square, x to the power 3, etc. And fundamental operations of arithmetic. It means plus sign, minus sign, multiply sign, division sign. Clear? So these all together can form an algebraic expression. Example 7x plus 3. So 7 is number, x is literal part, plus is fundamental operation of arithmetic. So 7x plus 3 algebraic expression. 7x square y plus 3xy minus 15. It is also an algebraic expression. 76x square y cube z. It is also an algebraic expression. 3x plus 4y plus 20. It is also an algebraic expression. So these are different type of algebraic expression. Here we have two terms, 7x and 3. So this is binomial. Here three terms, first term, second term, third term. So this is trinomial. Again only one term. So this is monomial. And one term, two term, three term. So it is trinomial. We further will read about types of algebraic expression. Now, what is term, variable, constant, and its factors? So, we take first example: 7x square y plus 5xy plus 20. 7x square y plus 5xy plus 20. So, I also write this 5xy plus 20. Right? Take this example. Clear? I take first example 3a plus 5b plus c. So by this example 7x square y plus 5xy plus 20, we observe that terms. There are three terms: first term, second term, third term, and these terms are combined by fundamental operation, that is plus sign. So there are three terms. So it is a trinomial. So 7x square y first term, 5xy second term, plus 20 third term. Got it? Now factors. So factors are 7, x square means x into x and y single. So these are factors. Again 5xy, so 5x and y. So these are factors. 20, 2 to the 4, 4 by the 20. So 2 to 5 are its factors. So student, this is a number, this is literal part, and 20 is constant term. 20 is constant term. So there are three terms, so it is a trinomial. Another example, again three terms, first term, second term, third term. So it is also again trinomial. First, there is only one term, then it is monomial. Two terms, binomial. Three terms, trinomial. And after three, we use the term polynomial. We use the term polynomial. So terms are 3a, 5b and c. There are three terms. Factors, 3a means 3 into a, 5b means 5 into b, and that is c. C is constant term. Now student, term. A term is a variable, constant or product of variables and constant. So term is a variable, constant or product of variables and constants. Example 3x square plus 4xy minus 5y square. Here 3x square, 4xy and minus 5y square are the terms. So there are three terms. So it is a trinomial. Constant, a fixed numerical value without variable is called constant. For example 7x plus y plus 20. So here 20 is constant term because there is no variable along with 20. So 20 is constant term. Variable, a letter of alphabet, a letter of English alphabet, a letter of English alphabet, a letter of an English alphabet which represent a numeric value for the given algebraic expression. So variable will be either x, y, z, p, q, r, a, b, c. So example 7x plus y plus 20. Here x and y are variables. Coefficients. The numerical factor of a term is called its coefficient. Numerical factor of a term. For example 7x plus 5y plus 20. So coefficient of x is 7, coefficient of of y is 5 and constant term is 7. Constant term is 20 and constant is 20. So coefficient of x 7, coefficient of y 5, constant term 20. If there is a minus sign, if there is minus 5 then coefficient of y is minus 5. Coefficient of y is minus 5. Now student, types of algebraic expressions. First, monomial. If there is only one term, it means single term in the given expression, then it is called a monomial. So only one term. So 7x single term, 5x square single term, 17xy single term. So they all are called monomial. Binomial. If there are only two terms in the given expression, then it is called a binomial. Only two terms. 5x square plus 7, only two terms. 3x square plus 5xy, only two terms. 7a plus 5, also two terms. So they are called binomial. Third, trinomial. If there are only three terms in the given expression, only three terms, then it is called a trinomial. 5a plus 6b plus c, trinomial. 7x square minus 5x plus 2, it is also a trinomial. Now polynomial. If there are more than three terms in the given expression, then it is called a polynomial. More than three terms. Example, 3x cube plus 5x square plus 5x plus 3. So there are four terms, so it is called a polynomial. More than three terms. Actually, student, monomial, binomial, trinomial are also referred to as polynomial. So they are also called polynomial, but different name. Single term, linear polynomial. Binomial, there are two terms, so it may be either linear, either cubic, either quadratic. So actually monomial, binomial, trinomial, they are also called polynomial. Clear? In higher class, you read about linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, but in next class. In our course, only monomial, binomial and trinomial are given. You may understand that monomial means single term, binomial means two terms, trinomial means three terms, and more than three terms, that is polynomial. And all these monomial, binomial and trinomial are also called type of polynomial. Get it? Difference between algebraic expression and polynomial. So what is difference? An algebraic expression is a general term. It is a general term. General term means expanded form. While polynomial is a well-defined concept. Polynomial is a well-defined concept. How? The terms of an algebraic expressions may have negative, positive or rational powers. In algebraic expression, the terms consist of negative, positive or rational powers. Rational power means power in the form of p by q. But in polynomial, the terms have only positive integer powers. So in algebraic expression, the terms contains power with negative, positive or rational power. But in polynomial, the term contain only positive powers. So this is the main difference between algebraic expression and polynomials. So algebraic expression is a general term. General term means expanded form of expression, while a polynomial is a well-defined concept. Now, like and unlike terms. All those terms in which the variable parts, means literal factors, are same are called like terms. For example, x, 5x, 8x, so all contain x. Variable part are same in all this. Only numerical coefficient are different. Here 1, here 5, here 8. But variable part are same, so they are called like terms. Second example, 3x square y. So here x square y, x square y, x square y. So all the variable part are same in all these three terms. Numerical coefficient are 3, -9 and 7. Numerical coefficients may be different, but literal parts or variable parts are same. So x square y, x square y, x square y. So these types of terms are called like terms. Now unlike terms, all those terms in which the variable parts are not same means different, are called unlike terms. For example, they are different, so they are called unlike terms. X square y, x y square, x square y square. So the literal parts are not same, so they are called unlike terms. Now students, polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. So example 3x4 plus 5x square. So there is a variable x. How many terms? It does not matter. But the variable is only x. X to the power 4, x to the power 2. So variable x. So polynomial in one variable. 5y square plus 4y plus 5. Variable is y. A plus a square by 3 plus 1. Variable is a. So they all are variables and they all are polynomial in single variable. Now polynomial in many variables. So x cube plus x square y plus y cube. So there are two variables x and y. More than one variable. So there are two variables x and y. Second, 3p square q square r square plus 3pq square r plus 3pqr. So variables are p, q and r. Three variables. A plus b plus c. So there are three variables: variable a, variable b, and variable c. So they all are variables, polynomials in many variables. Now degree of a polynomial. So what is degree of a polynomial? The highest power of the variable in the given polynomial is called as degree. So highest power of the variable. Clear? In the given polynomial is called as degree. So example 3x square plus 5x square y cube plus 2y square. So highest power. Here power of x is 2. Here power of variable is 3 plus 2 5. Here power of variable y is 2. So 5 is the highest power. So degree is 5. Degree is 5. We add the power of variables. So power of x 2, power of y 3, 2 plus 3 5. 5x square y plus 7x 4y plus 7xy 5 minus 7x2 y square. So here the power is 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 5 6, 3 plus 2 5. So the highest power is 6. So degree is 6. Types of polynomials in one variable according to degree. Degree means highest power of the variable. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree as 1. It means power is 1. Is called a linear polynomial in one variable. Example 7x plus 2. Here power of x is 2. That is degree is 1. 8y. Power of y is 1. Degree 1. 6x plus 5. Power of x is 1. It means degree 1. So only one variable. There is variable x, there is variable y, again there is variable x. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree as 2, it means highest power is 2, is called a quadratic polynomial in one variable. X square plus 5x plus 6, highest power is 2, so degree is 2. 2y square plus 3y minus 5, highest power is 2, it means degree is 2. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree as 3 is called a cubic polynomial in one variable. 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 2. So highest power is 3. It means degree is 3. Y cube minus y square plus 1. Highest power is 3. Again degree is 3. 3y cube minus 27. Highest power is 3. So again degree is 3. So it is called cubic polynomial.